Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I did a video before now that will be doing one of our biggest tomato projects, looking at over 30,000 stands of tomato. So we're trying to start our nursery process, and in this particular project we'll be doing both the conventional nursery and also we'll nurse some seed in the tree. So as you can see, I'm trying to prepare the soil. That's the bed that I've prepared where we will nurse our tomato seed on the ground for this project. We will nurse some on the ground, and we will still nurse some in tray. So now we are doing the conventional one first. We are nursing our tomatoes on the ground first. So I've prepared the bed, as you can see, and also applied nematicide as well. Then I will water the bed properly, proper watering. We're trying to make the bed very conducive for our seed when we put our seed. So after preparing the bed, we've already sprinkled nematicide on the bed. Now we are putting water to help the nematicide first to dissolve. And after putting all this water, we'll allow them to stay for a few hours. After that, we'll now introduce the seed. So this is the seed we are going to nurse. This Cobra 26F1 that we are trying to nurse in the nursing bed, not in the tray, because we have some in the tray, but this one is just for the conventional way. We are nursing those ones on the ground. So this is Cobra tomato seeds. As you can see, this is actually good. So all you do next is to sprinkle the seeds along the prepared bed. While doing that, you have to be very careful to make sure that you sprinkle it within that prepared bed, so that they will not be maybe on top of the demarcation. So you sprinkle the seed properly, so that everything will enter within those prepared bed. Do not mind the water. The water will eventually dry up in maybe a few minutes. So we sprinkle the seed that way. Make sure you do it evenly, and also do it carefully. So that's what I'm trying to do now, to put the seeds in already prepared bed.
Morning sun rising, dew on the leaves, roosters announcing new hopes to believe. Boots on the soil, hands in the dirt. Every small effort is worth what it's worth. Seeds in the ground.
So after sprinkling the seed, we'll now have to cover the seed with a little soil. This will help them for this will aid a proper germination. So we'll cover the seeds with a little soil. You also try not to make it too deep, so that the seed can germinate faster. So that's what we're trying to do now. We cover the seed with a little soil. This is actually good for people that maybe you just want to try it out, or maybe you don't have money to buy potting soil and nursing tray. You can use this particular method to nurse your seed, but you need to be technical and you need to be careful while doing that. So after covering, we'll now cover the bed with a black nylon. This is trying to increase the temperature of the place and help the seeds to germinate fast. It is the second bed. We have two beds, so we've covered them. So let's wait for 2 days before we open it to water again, and then we'll see what happens after that. Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. Bye for now.